Welcome. Today we are going to talk about 3 mistakes you should avoid when running your Instagram account. My name is Valerie. I am a social media expert, and this is a place for those who want to grow on social media and want to learn more about Instagram and how you can grow on that platform. And also I'll be sharing some tools that you should be using on Instagram and how you need to run your Instagram account. If you want to watch more videos just like this one, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more informational videos that will help you grow on Instagram. Watch till the end for all the 3 mistakes to make sure that you are not making them as well on Instagram. Leave a like below if you want to, and let's get started. Number 1 mistake that people make while running their Instagram is not utilizing all of Instagram's tools. Because on every part, even IGTV videos or taking stories, for example, there's a specific audience located and watching stories constantly. So if you are only posting posts that are in the feed, imagine how much followers you are losing if you are not using stories, for example, because there's audience who always watch stories and they maybe not even see your newsfeed posts, and these are the people you are losing. So think about that. If you're not utilizing all the aspects of Instagram, you're already missing out on so many followers, so many engagement and eyes that could be on your profile. And I hope that you can do a mini analysis on yourself, understand if you are using all of Instagram's tools. And I wanted to also ask you guys what kind of content does best for you. Is it IGTV videos, stories, or posts? I created a poll where you can vote. So let's see which one wins. If we have more people who post on newsfeed or IGTV videos, let's check it out. I have a link in the bio, and all you have to do is go on the link and vote. And this can help you grow because you can see what is helping other people. So let's do it. Don't forget to leave your vote below. Not knowing your audience. So what does that even mean? You should know your audience and what they're looking for in you. And what that really means is that you need to be niched in a specific topic. If you want to go and take your date or your friend to a really good restaurant, you are not going to take them to a buffet. That is what 99% of us won't do. We will take them to a nice lobster, fish, for example, or an Italian place or a Mexican place, something that is niched in one area, because buffet is just not the most bougiest thing you can think of. And the same thing applies when we go to our Instagram and we look for influencers or we follow specific accounts. So if you follow a beauty influencer, you follow them for their tips on makeup, maybe makeup ideas. If you follow a fitness influencer, you're following them because maybe you want some tips on a workout that you want to do. And so that really applies to all of the people we follow on Instagram. We follow people for a specific reason. So when people follow you, think about this. Why do they follow you for? Do you run a fashion account? Do you run a fitness account? Do you run a motivational account? What do you bring to your followers? So once you know what you do and what you are niched in, that is when you understand what you are running your account for and who your followers are. And that's really the concept that I wanted to give to you guys, because this is a major mistake. I see lots of accounts who are just posting random things. You cannot be doing that, because people who follow you are confused. They don't know why they follow you for the first place, and second of all, they don't know what you're going to post tomorrow. Make sure you are niched in a specific topic, and once you have that topic set for yourself, then you can add maybe some lifestyle posts or maybe food or whatever else you want to add to it, but make sure the foundation of your Instagram is the niche that you pick. And next, before we go into our last tip, I wanted to ask you guys if you would like a video on hashtags and how to use hashtags the right way. Is that something you guys are interested in? And if so, then leave a like on this video, and if we get it to 1,000 likes, that will be the next video I will be making. So I know that is something you are looking for and looking for answers in, because hashtags can help your post get more engagement, more likes, and help you grow. And I will share those hacks with you guys in that video. So leave a like below and I will produce that video for you guys next if that is what you guys want. And our last mistake that you might be making is approaching brands the wrong way. I will tell you guys that if you are talking about yourself when you're approaching a brand, you are already making a mistake. Brands do not care about you. It is a true fact and it's kind of harsh, but when you're approaching a brand, they could care less about yourself, how good you are. They want to know how you can help them grow and how you can help advertise, bring exposure and sales to their company. So what that means for you is when you're approaching a brand, you should be talking about those key factors and not yourself. So that is something I see a lot of people make mistakes with. I have people who DM me and ask me, how should I be approaching a brand? And I ask them, what do you send to the brand in the first place? And I've seen some of the things that my followers send to brands, and I'm like, whoa, that is not what you should be sending them, because you should be talking about how you can benefit them and not about yourselves. Again, yes, some specific facts is important to have in your proposal when you're approaching a brand, like your following amount, maybe who your audience is, and maybe some statistics from your account. You can attach this in a PDF format if you want to, but that's about it. You don't have to talk about how great you are. I don't recommend that. What I would recommend is to do an introduction, slight introduction, couple sentences about yourself, how much followers you have, and who your followers are. Are they female? What is the demographic? How old are they? So those kind of facts you can have in your intro, and then you want to talk about how you can benefit the brand. Are you going to create high quality photos? Are you going to share this on your post, on your stories, an IGTV video? What kind of format are you going to bring to them? And lastly, maybe attach a media kit, a statistic that you may have on yourself in your account. And these kind of things are going to help you get that job and get more brand collaborations. Now leave a like below, because you just learned the 3 mistakes that you should be avoiding on Instagram. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you can learn more about Instagram marketing and hacks and tips from me, like these 3 mistakes. Follow me on Instagram for more tips just like this. And if you want to take your Instagram to a next level and you're looking for more guidelines, more instructions from others, and where you can learn these resources, then I want to give you a free PDF guide that you can use. And inside that PDF, I have my top growth hacks for you to be growing on Instagram. It is free, and all you have to do is download it below. It is attached in the description, and it is something that people pay money for, and I'm giving it to you guys for free. So I highly recommend checking that out. It has helped lots of people grow, and it will help you as well. So check that out. Click on the thumbnails to watch another video from my account, and I'll see you in the next video.